wondered what you really look like taking on zombies? We got to try out Zero Latency's new virtual reality experience Outbreak, and thanks to the 30-second highlight reel you get sent after the game, you'll get to see how amazing you were at fighting off zombies.
What did he say?
The experience itself is so cool and feels very real, being free to roam in action to show off your survival skills, or lack thereof. And then being humbled when you see both your animated and real life point of view in a 30-second highlight reel that's emailed to you after your experience. They're actually available in 25 different countries with 92 locations, and if you share your scares highlight reel from your Outbreak experience on social media by the end of March, you could win a year's worth of VR experiences for you and a friend. Remember to use hashtag #ShareTheScare and tag Zero Latency.
So, who will you take to share the scare with?